In this Device Doctor video, we show you how to easily connect your HP LaserJet MFP M236sdw to your phone using Wi-Fi Direct.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First step, turn on the printer's Wi-Fi. Press and hold the information button for 5 seconds. Then, press the resume button and the wireless button at the same time. Now, you'll see that the printer's Wi-Fi Direct is on and the icon will appear on the screen. Now, for the second step, let's connect your phone to the printer. First, turn on both the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, then go to the Wi-Fi section. You'll see the printer's Wi-Fi in the list of available networks. Tap on it to connect. Now you'll notice that you need the printer's Wi-Fi password to connect. To get the Wi-Fi password, press the information button once to print the network details sheet. Now, you can easily find your printer's password on this page. Enter this password on your phone to connect the printer to your phone. Step 3. Now that our phone is connected to the printer's Wi-Fi, we'll print a photo to see if the printer's Wi-Fi Direct is working correctly. From this section, select your print settings. First, choose the printer, then select the paper size and other options as you prefer, and finally print. Look, it printed our test photo quickly and perfectly. See you in another helpful video. Goodbye.